Hi guys, it's Aji. So for today's video, I'm going to play with the new makeup that I got from Shopee. I was supposed to do a haul video, pero I realized doing another Shopee haul is so repetitive of me kasi ilang beses na akong gumagawa ng hauls doon. So I decided I would just take some of the stuff that I got from Shopee and make a look out of them, and this is how it looks like. I used these palettes. These are some of the palettes I used in this look. So if you want to see how I use these to get this look, then just keep watching. I feel like mas magandang mag-start sa kilay muna. Meron ako neto, but in a different shade, in a much darker shade. So I got the lightest one. This is 01 Auburn. I'm going to do my brows off cam and I'll be right back. Ang weird na kilay ko, it looks shiesty.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hindi ko in-expect na ganun siya ka-dark. I hope it does not look this scary pag naglagay na ako ng foundation and everything. So, maglalagay na ako foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use this focallure covermax foundation in 10 warm, but this is too yellow. I feel like today's look is going to be a little more sheer, a little more light. So, I'm going to mix some alabaster with this foundation. And I'm going to use this matchmax foundation sponge. I recently got this sa package ko with focallure kasi binigay nila to as a freebie. Yung hirap sa foundation na to is sa foundation sponge na yan is I feel like ang dami niyang product na kinakain. So that's the difference between both sides. As you can see, mas yellow to, and if hindi nyo pa nakikita yung difference, this is way different than this. Mas pink yung mukha ko kaysa sa neck ko, and I'm trying to match my foundation to my neck. So as much as possible, pag bumibili ako ng foundation, gusto ko yung ma-yellow yung undertone niya. So, ayan, yan yung itsura ng foundation. I'm going to carve out my brow with the o.two.o Select Cover Up Concealer. I recently got this too, and I'm going to use a flat brush like this. May sobrang concealer, I'm just going to add that on my under eye. Actually, hindi ko masyadong bet tong concealer na to. I mean, okay lang siya for natural, everyday natural looks. Pero for videos, like, especially when I need to brighten my under eye, hindi siya masyadong gumagana. Ayan, it's coming together now. Parang hindi ko na masyadong napapansin yung nakakatakot kong kilay. But I'm going to add concealer to some parts of my face. So, my face looks greasy. So I'm going to add some focallure Flawless Setting Powder. This is by no means new makeup. Wala kasi ako nabiling loose powder. Ayan, I'm powdered up. We're going to do the eyes next. May nabili akong eyeshadow palette, and sad to say, it was a little more on the expensive side, like almost focallure 15 palette expensive. Given 30 shades tong palette na to. Glam Color, it's all good palette. And nakita nyo na ginamit ko to dun sa Chungha makeup video, tapos ginamit ko to dun sa e-girl makeup video. Nung chinek ko kasi sa site, it looks so magical. Like, ang ganda tignan. Tapos yung swatches pa nila, pinamukha nilang sobrang pigmented na itong product na to. I know it looks pretty. It looks pretty. Pero, ang hina nung mattes. Nakakainis. Hindi ko rin sure kung anong gagawin ko today. I feel like, mas marami kasing warm browns dito sa palette na to. So, let's do something with warm brown. The shimmers are amazing. Ang ganda ng shimmers ng palette na to. The mattes, talagang kailangan mong paghirapan para gumana. Shimmers are really best applied when you use your fingers. Mukha siyang orange, pero it's really brown kasi yung colors ng shades. Pero, I guess that's that. I'm going to do the same on my other eye and I'll be right back. So, I'm back and I'm done with the eyeliner. For mascara, I got this o.two.o Rose Gold Mascara. Ginamit ko na to before and sadly, I also didn't like it. This is the gold mascara, sorry. Iba pala yung rose gold. Ginamit ko na rin yung rose gold dati and I feel like parehas lang sila ng formula. Yun nga, the same problem goes. Mabigat sa lashes yung formula. So, I have, kahit na gaano ko siya i-curl, bumabagsak yung lashes ko. Ayan, you can't even see my lashes. Ayan na yun. I'm going to use these. Nakita nyo na siguro to sa ibang videos ko. This is the wala siyang brand, pero I got it from the shop faebeauty.ph. While waiting for the lashes to dry, I'm going to do the rest of my face. Brush off the bake. Another gem that I also found while searching for new makeup on Shopee is this Sweet Mint the Sea of Falls. This is what it looks like and it's basically a small contour palette. Next is blush. I was buying something and it just so happens na sa shop meron din silang blush palette which I've been looking for a long time kasi nakakasawa na bumili ng mga individual pot. I got this blush palette from Gikami. I don't know how you pronounce that but I got it. This is the Sun God palette ata yung tawag dito. This is how it looks like. Yan yung itsura niya. I'm going to use this orangey shade for today. Hindi masyadong pigmented tong mga blushes dito sa palette na to. Given hindi naman dapat talaga masyadong pigmented ang blushes because with the way you apply it, mas magandang sheer siya so you can build it up. Diba? Ang ganda ng lashes, it's just like ang flirty lang tignan. Talagang nakaka-transform ng look ang blush. Ay, ang lashes. Like, kanina mukha akong daga, pero ngayon like, daga from ibang bansa. Ganun. I'm going to highlight the face with the highlighter that comes with this Sweet Mint palette. Now, yung natitira na lang is lips. And another product that I got from o.two.o is their, I don't know what it's called, lipstick and liquid lipstick. I think it's called dual-ended lipstick. And I got it in the shade RGLL08, which is a brown. I think ito yung pinaka-wearable na color nila doon. Like I said, hindi ako masyadong fan ng mga bright na colors. Unless it's like reds, ganon. I really don't wear it, so I'm going to touch up a few things on my face, fix my hair, and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, I'm back and this has been me playing with new makeup. I really like it. If you want to check out the makeup products that I use, I'm going to link them down below. Their price, their name, the shop I got it from, all down below in the description box. So yeah, I actually really like it. I feel like you could wear this to an event, or if you're someone who's really extra, you could probably turn this into your everyday makeup look. I really like the lip color and like the overall vibe. I did struggle with the eyeshadow palette. Ang hirap makipag-work dun sa mattes. I-recommend ko sana sa inyo yung palette, pero yun nga, hindi siya masyado maganda. Tapos mahal pa siya. Siya yung pinakamahal sa lahat ng products na gamit ko dito. So ayun, I hope you enjoyed the look and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!